Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily change background color on Squarespace. So first things first, we have to log in into our Workspace account and follow my steps. Here we have to pick the project that we want to really work on. In my case, it's the first one. So I'm gonna click on Go to Website. It will take me into the editor. What we have to do first is click on the edit button on top and then scroll and find the section that we want to add a background, for example, or change the background. I'm gonna go in here and click on the section, and here on top right corner on this pop-up window is edit section option. We can format the whole section. We can add a background, image, video, or art. So if you feel like going like this, like this, like this, like this, you easily can. But I get it if it's too graphic for you. We can just go with colors. Here, we can go with like this one. We have to get rid of like that. Let's go back like this. Okay, edit section, colors. Here we can add the background that we already picked. So we can go with the little beige one, also beige with orange text, then orange with white text. I really like orange because it fits the buttons on my website. So edit section, colors, we have this one. And here is the bright 2 option, and we can click on this little pen and click on edit. And here you can play around with the colors. Easily like this, you can achieve really nice section and a really nice section background. If you decide it's all good, just click on done and save. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.